Take a look at this from Germany. This is casual. Look how calm he is as well. Both hands free, doesn't even need to do it. That is sport. That's a Schalke fan, by the way.
I thought, might as well just do a little bit of filming. You know, just a little bit. So, the content is better than no content. And of lately, it has been super chaotic. So, just to let ones know about why I've been kind of absent over a month. In purchasing a new home, the home itself is kind of beaten up.
Little problem in the kitchen, nothing trivial.
Well, the turkey's done.
So is the kitchen. And relax in a nice lukewarm bath.
So therefore, I've been doing nothing but lots of renovations.
Chip, I'm mostly okay.
Tons of upgrades and just fixing things so it was much more livable. And then also, it's just been stupid hot.
It's hot.
And then also, you know, one thing about the East Coast, living here in North Carolina, I'll tell you right off the bat, guys and gals, it rains more in the evening than I've ever been used to. So, you know, you think you get home and you're like, okay, you know, let's go for an evening ride. Nope, it's storming and thunder and lightning. So it's like, dude, you know, I'm just, okay, well, I got to get used to that. But anyway, so I'm going to go get some beer and take you guys along with me. We'll go from there. Ooh. Got to get my, got some dust that has developed on my back brakes, man, or something. They're squeaking a little bit too much there. I don't like that. Itch.
This. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste it.
Oh, I miss those pops, man. I miss them. Oh, so good.
Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm back. Baby, I'm back.
They don't even give me a thumbs up. Okay, well, if you see yourselves on YouTube, I got you not even doing a thumbs up. So, the biker community, you suck. Food Lion. I actually prefer getting beer at a place called Lowe's Food. I actually prefer that. It's much. They have a much more variety. This place only kind of has some, but not a lot. Thanks. Oh. Oh. Spare tank, 16 bucks. Jeez.
Don't let your kids, what's it?
I don't like that People's Porter. That's actually really good. I take it back. There's a really good selection here. Wow. Double Dog, double IPA. That looks good too. Can't say that one. Well, I got a pretty good selection, huh? I'm like going, man, I just wish all of these were over there. I might try this one, Double Dog. I'm gonna Okay, got my beer. Only problem I have is now I have to go get it cold before I can enjoy it. You know what? Might as well take a little freeway time home. How's that sound? Ooh. Why is my blinker working? Oh, shoot. Okay, well, hold on a second. I gotta go figure out why my right blinker isn't working here. Shoot, my right blinker is not working. I don't know what's going on with that, so let's go figure this out now. Dude, one more thing to have to worry about, swear to gosh. Ah! Let's see. That's not on. That, okay. So it's got to be a fuse. Shoot. Okay. Well, there goes the long way home. It'd be easier actually to go the shorter way. Knowing this bike, probably a fuse. That bugs me to death. Oh well. Oh, you know, and by the way, actually on the way going home, I forgot to mention, did get some really good footage. We had this lightning storm that came in. Man, oh man. See, you have to understand, for me from California, I'm used to, you know, obviously I've seen lightning. It's been in lightning storms. But really, North Carolina takes lightning storms to a new level. They're so traumatic and so violent sometimes. And it's not just like, you know, one pop here, one pop there. It's like a whole parade of lightning. And I did start filming it. I did miss the kind of the front end. But I'm going to show that to you now, and I hope that it will. The GoPro really only picked up so much, but yeah, check it out. Yeah, let's see if I can get some live footage now. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Whoa. Amazing.
Okay. It is, dang.
Whoa, I got that one. That was cool. That sounds like right above us.
I would say it's right over there. I gotta get.
Whoa, look at it. I just want one good one. And good one. Ready, set, go. Big one. I want a full Sith. Do it. Wow, it is going. Whoa, there you go. That was a good one. Ooh. It's just amazing. Who needs fireworks?
You just set this to you.
Whoa. Dun 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 dun. Hey, that came in. Dun 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 dun. That was funny. It did come in though. That's right. Ooh, that was a tracer. Whoa. That's so cool. Dude, that sucks. So, did you enjoy that? It was, we had that type of storm about 3 days straight, and it always was right in the evening time. It was just so amazing. Since I got you guys, and I'm just, you know, we're just vlogging, I guess, and just chilling. Need you to do me guys and gals a favor. I'm debating, and in this video, I'm only doing it at this moment of time. Out if I should actually take my helmet off when I do my intros or do something of that nature. I know that many people have called me Darth Vader, or, you know, okay, Darth, you know.
Comscan has detected it.
Was a running joke, I guess. Haha, funny, funny. Not to, when it comes down to, I can afford the audio systems, and I can't afford, you know, the setting up the mics and doing all that stuff that a lot of guys can, but I just can't. For me, it's kind of the enemy of the enemy.
Okay, don't hurt yourself.
It being anonymous and not having my face being shown, I'm going to throw it to you guys.
Don't change your face, I'm going to change it for you.
Okay. All I can do is take that in and consider it, and I'll just try to do my best version of whatever I think that would be.
I don't even hear what you're saying right now because your face is driving me nuts.
Thanks again, though.
Oh.
Would you guys like me to start revealing or really show what I look like? Leave in the comments below. I'm just going to toss it out there. I'm just curious, and if I get more than I think, and, you know, things start blowing up and people want to know, well, then I'm tossing it out there, yeah, for fun. So anyways, see my face or not, or keep it the way it is. I personally think until I get to at least 1,000 subscribers, and, you know, that momentous occasion, I'll take my helmet off. That's me. But I really think that I don't know if it will help getting to 1,000 subscribers if I start taking and showing my ugly mug. Anyway. It's going to be a short video, but just for the fun of it, just wanted to go get some beer. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Again, if you're new, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. It really will help, especially with all my new videos that pop, and I'm working on some other areas as well. So thank you guys and gals for your attention, and until then, take care. See ya. Bye.